What happens when you add up pairs of consecutive? We'll understand the word consecutive. Triangular numbers, that is, okay, let me not read that. Which sequence do you get? Why? Can you explain? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, first thing is, what is consecutive numbers? Note, the word consecutive is the first thing we need to understand. Consecutive is nothing but one after another. Okay, so it has to be next to each other. This can also be another way of putting it across. So what is next to each other? First thing is consecutive triangular numbers. Let's divide this. Let's write triangular numbers. So we know that triangular numbers are, so we have 1 and then 3 and then 6 and 10 and 15 and so on and so forth. Now what happens when you add? So we'll take the next step, adding consecutive, right? See, maths is very simple. In the question, they're telling you what to do and asking you to observe. That's all. You don't have to remember much. You hardly have to remember anything, to be honest. Triangular numbers. Okay, let's look at it. The first thing is 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus, let me change the color. 1 plus 3 is 4. So whenever 4 comes, your instinctively, you should look into some number. What is that? Think about it. This will be, is this 10? Oh, sorry. Add up the not this pair, not everything. Pair means, say, this is one pair, this is another pair, this is another pair. Pair means 2 in 2s. Okay, so let me write that as well. Pair is 2 in pairs, right? Okay, now this would be 10. Change the color. This is 10. Now then the next pair is 6 plus 10. This is 16. Oh, my bad, not 10. This is 9. I was thinking of adding that 1. That's why I wrote it 10. Okay, next is 10 plus 15. So this is 25. So what number are we getting? Which sequence do you get? The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are what? Let me draw the picture. Can you explain this in picture form? Because say for me it kind of looks obvious, but for you guys, you're chotu guys, na? So let me write it off. Draw it off. So you might not remember. It's okay. This is 1 and this is 1 plus 3, right? And next one is 3 plus 6. Sorry, or yeah, 3 plus 6. 3, this is 3 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, let me make it a bit more colorful for you. Bit more colorful. That's what I meant. Colorful. Huh. This is 1 plus 3. This is 3 plus 6. Can you see that? What is this picture? Next is 4 plus, not 4 plus, sorry, 6 plus 10. This is 4, 5, 6 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is this? This shape is a square, right? So that's your answer. Are square numbers. Are square numbers. That's it. Again, whenever you get any confusion, just go to the real world. That is, put it in form of picture. That's what we understand best, right? So yeah, let me take a second over here. Now we can check the answer. So let's put it in picture form. Okay, always write it neat, presentable. I need some space between the text and the picture. The one, whoever, even if you read it in the future, you should be able to look at it and understand what you have done. That should be the agenda. So just don't write anything, always present it better. My handwriting is also not that great. It's kind of got bad in time, but I'm trying to make my things presentable. Whatever I write it on the screen, it should be presentable to next person, right? Same agenda is what you guys should have. Your handwriting might be not that great, but you can always make it presentable.